LG understands that cleaning your oven is not an easy task. That's why LG's new oven provides more cleaning flexibility than the traditional self-clean with EasyClean. If you are trying to clean light soils such as drops of cheese from pizzas or light grease splatter from low-temperature broiling or roasting, using the EasyClean feature can help make cleaning safer and faster by loosening up these soils. In just 20 minutes, with less heat and virtually no smoke or fumes, oven cleaning just got so much easier. With your convenience in mind, EasyClean cleaning supplies are provided for you along with your new LG oven. You will need the pressurized spray bottle filled with 10 ounces of warm water, a plastic scraper, sponge, non-scratch scouring pad, and a towel. Fill the spray bottle with 1 1/4 cup or 10 ounces of water. Use the indicator lines located on the bottle as guides. To use a spray bottle, pump the spray bottle about 10 times. Press and hold down the trigger to spray. For continuous spraying, press down and slide the small button to lock it. You can also adjust the water spray by turning the nozzle at the tip. We recommend the mist setting for the lower oven and the stream setting for the upper oven cavity. The EasyClean feature can be activated on both your upper and lower oven. Begin by removing oven racks and accessories from the oven. Your oven should be completely empty. Take the plastic scraper or a similar tool such as an old credit card and scrape off and remove any burnt-on debris. Using the pressurized spray bottle, cover the walls and the soils in the corners of the oven with at least a 1/4 cup of water. Use the indicator lines on the spray bottle to see how much water you have used. Do not spray water on the doors, which can cause water to drip onto your floors. Take the cup of water left in your spray bottle and spray onto the bottom center of the oven cavity. The indentation on the oven bottom should be fully covered to submerge all soils. Add more water if necessary. Although this may seem like a lot of water, it is important that you fully submerge all soils in water for EasyClean to properly work. Close the oven door, press upper or lower EasyClean, and then press start. Surfaces in the oven will get hot during the cycle, but will be cooled down once the cycle is finished. Do not open the oven door during the EasyClean cycle to ensure safety and maximum performance. During the 20-minute cycle, you may notice water vapor or what looks like smoke coming out of your cooktop vents. This is normal. At the end of the cycle, a tone will sound. Press the upper or lower Clear Off button to clear the display and tone. After the cleaning cycle and during hand cleaning, the soils in your oven should still be fully submerged in water for better cleaning performance. Add warm water to the oven cavity if more water is necessary. Clean the oven cavity immediately after the EasyClean cycle by wiping with a wet, non-scratch scouring pad or sponge. If you have a gas oven, some water may spill into the bottom vents while cleaning, but it will not hurt the burner. Avoid leaning or resting on the oven door glass while cleaning the oven cavity. Once the oven cavity is clean, wipe any excess water with a clean, dry towel. Replace racks and any other accessories. These EasyClean instructions should be followed for both the upper and lower oven. If some light soils remain after hand cleaning, repeat the EasyClean process, making sure to thoroughly soak the problem areas with water. If stubborn soils remain after multiple EasyClean cycles, you can run the self-clean cycle to rid of these soils completely.